Hello everyone, is your Facebook reel showing these reels no sound or playing without audio? Don't worry, you are not alone and this can be fixed in just a minute. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the sound and vibration. Scroll down. Now click on the volume and media volume, turn on. Go back and now tap on the Facebook app and click on the I button. Scroll down. Now click on the force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Delete the data. Go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, camera contacts location microphone allow, nearby device notifications, phone, photos and videos, then allow. Okay, go back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open your Facebook app and try again. Now play Facebook reels. See, I hope your problem has been solved.